When I first got an underbite, I didn't realize I actually had it until I began to mispronounce, and I noticed when I looked at the mirror that my smile was distinctly different. And once I told my parents, they told me that we should go see an orthodontist, and we went to go see many orthodontists, and they pretty much laid out several options, of which I had to wear braces, mouth guards, all sorts of stuff that will be on my mouth for months and months. They had wanted to do jaw surgery on my mouth, and that I would have had to take a couple months off from school perhaps for rehabilitation from that surgery, and all that surgery might have not worked out at all. When I first discovered this method with my mom, I couldn't believe it. When I saw the pictures on the internet of which had taken 2 weeks to go from a smile that looks similar to mine as it is right now to a smile that pearly whites and straight teeth, I just really couldn't believe it at all. It's been about an hour since I've gotten my new porcelain teeth, and as you can see, they look really different aesthetically, and I can feel a distinct difference with my speech whenever I say 6 or anything pertaining to an S sound. And on the bright side, I didn't have to do any of this with surgery at all. All of this was done in a matter of 1 day. I don't have to live with an underbite for the rest of my life anymore. There are some things like wearing a retainer, but that's necessary. It's a small price to pay for getting a smile like this. So it's been a day since I've gotten my venlay put in. It definitely feels different from the last time, and I've already gotten used to them. And I no longer have to do this to adjust my face profile. I can just go like this, and it's way easier. I don't have to make shit my mouth in order to make people look at me in a certain way. I don't feel self-conscious about it anymore. It's really great. My speech has gotten a lot better, a lot better. I can count from 1 to 10 and really clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I thought it was too good to be true after looking at it on the internet, but it really was true.